everybody. Welcome to my video today. Happy Monday. I hope that you are all doing well and enjoying the end of August as we jump into September. I have a really fun project I want to share with you guys. For the first time ever, I'm doing an event for World Card Making Day, and that is in October. It is October 2nd, and I thought it would be really fun to do a Christmas inspired event. So for the first time ever, I'm going to do the World Card Making event, and then also I'm going to do a Christmas Stamp-A-Stack. So if you are not familiar with that, it is when you do a bunch of Christmas cards. That's what we're going to focus on. So the World Card Making event is going to feature 12 really fun Christmas cards, and I've partnered with my friend Roberta. We did the mini retreat together, and she's made 6 cards and I've made 6 cards, and then you get to make all 12 of them and then hang out with us on October 2nd. If you can't be at the live event, then everything will be recorded and it'll be sent to you. So let me show you what you get when you sign up. There's a link below in the YouTube description. There's a link on my website, and there is a link on Facebook to sign up. You get to pick what you want, so you can just get the event box. You can get the add-on product that I'm gonna share with you. So there's lots of options. So the first thing is that you get a box of product. And I want to show you in here what you get. The first thing you're going to find at the bottom of your box are going to be these really beautiful snowflakes. There is a piece of tissue paper in between each layer because they're very delicate. So you get 2 sheets of those, and it has this very shiny, shimmery, almost iridescent look. I really love these. And we've used them on a couple projects. You are going to get a 1/4 pack of the Sweet Stocking designer paper, and this has really cute designs. It's very traditional with the yellow and the green and the red, and then it has the stockings and then all the cute little critters. My favorite is the mouse. I just love that little guy. And then the back has some really classic designs, and so you'll have that. You'll get a 1/4 pack of that, a 1/4 pack of the whimsical Wonder designer paper, and this is really pretty. It's not traditional, and typically I do not like, I don't know if you guys can see that well with the lighting. Let me try to adjust that. The non-traditional Christmas paper. It has the pinks and then the mint green, like the mint macaroon and soft succulent, and then it has the snowflakes. This is really pretty, and I immediately loved this, even though I'm not typically drawn to that kind of paper, and I really wanted to create some fun things with that. So I have a couple cards with that. And then the other stack of paper you will get is the Peaceful Deer designer paper. Peaceful, I'll put it up on the screen because I'm not positive of the name of it, but it is a celebration paper. So you will get a 1/4 pack of that, which is a celebration paper, which you can get a full pack of it when you spend $50 or more. The other thing that you will get is you will get 2 sheets of the gold metallic paper. This is in the annual catalog, so in our big catalog, and I feel like it gets overlooked. It's a new product this year, and it's really pretty. It has this like texture to it, and it's gold, so you will get that as well. And then you will get a pack of the matte decorative dots, so that will be in there for you to use. You will get a sheet of silver pearls and gold pearls, so you will have that. You get 2 full sets of ribbon, and this red ribbon right here is really pretty. I love it, and we're gonna make a really fun fold card with this ribbon. So we're gonna use that. And then the other ribbon you get is this decorative iridescent glitter ribbon, which I love. So that is the products that you get in your box. And then here are some of the cards. These are my cards that we are making. I really love them. They're super cute, really fun. This one is really fun. I have it untied. Usually there's a bow right there, but it opens up and it's this really fun fold card. And then there's a bow that ties right here. But look how fun that is. So we'll be making this one and it's stamped on the inside. I just love that. Here is one featuring the designer paper, the deer paper, and then also those beautiful snowflakes. I really love. And then here is another one, and this one is another fun fold. So it's a really fun fold card. I really love that with the tree. And then here is another one with the whimsy and wonder. So pretty. So those are half of the cards that you'll get to make. So you will make a total of 12 cards. So each pack of designer paper will come with the card kits to make each of the cards. Now the add-on product that you can get, the product that we are focusing on, are these 3 sets right here. Let me go this way. That'll be easier for you to see. We have the whimsical trees, and then that you can get in the bundle because it has all of these beautiful trees in here. Some of them coordinate with the actual trees on the stamp set, and then some of them are just other trees that you can cut out, which is really fun. And then this little die here cuts out this image here, which is really, really cute. So there's that one. And then we also are using the sweet little stockings bundle, and this has this gorgeous die in it, this tag die, and then it has all of the stockings and then these cute little tags. And then here's the stamp set that it coordinates with. And then we picked a really fun Christmas set, and this has some really big sentiments, and I love really big sentiments on my cards. So we picked that. So all of this, you can choose whichever works for you. If you want all of the product, if you want just one of the bundles or just the stamp set, it's really easy for you to choose by just clicking on the link. The actual event to just get the box and the cards and all of the items is $54.99. So you are getting $40 in product, and then you're getting the entire live event and the 12 card kits for like $15. So it's such an amazing value. All of the items in your box you can use also on other projects. You're going to have enough left over. And then during the event, we are going to have 4 exclusive projects that we will share with you that are on top of all of the cards that you get to make. And then you'll get 12 pre-recorded videos for each of the cards. You'll get an entire PDF that will have photos and measurements so that you can make them. And then during the event, the day of the event, we are going to be making 4 other projects and showing you more ways to use the product that you get in your box. It'll be focused on the items that you got, the exclusive videos in the group. And then if you can't be a part of the live event, that's totally fine. We will put everything together, package it up really nice for you, and send you an email with all of the links, and you'll have access to that so you can work at your own pace. So I would love for you to join us for the World Card Making event. It is on October 2nd. There's a link for you to sign up. Just click on that and then fill out the sign up form, and then I will get back to you once I know what your options are. I'm really excited to do this event because September is the very last month of the year for Stampin' Up. We start a brand new year in October, and so this is the last 4 weeks of the Stampin' Up year, and I am pushing to earn the incentive trip for this year, and I am about $4,000 away from that, hitting that goal, which is so exciting. So I thought I would do a fun event to try to hit that goal, and then to also be able to hang out with you guys at the very beginning of October, which will be the brand new Stampin' Up year. So I would love for you to come join me. Click on the link below and sign up for the event, and I will see you in that event, and I'll be talking about this for the next couple weeks as it is open for sign up. So thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today, checking this out, and if you have any questions, please just send me an email and I would be happy to help you figure out your order. Have a wonderful day, you guys, and I will be back tomorrow with another project for you guys. And I'm excited to be crafting with you guys this week as the kids are back in school and things have calmed down a little bit. I have lots planned this week. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you guys later. Thank you so much for checking out my videos. Here on the screen, you're going to see 2 other videos that you can check out. I would love for you to do all the YouTube-y things, subscribe to my channel, hit that bell so you get notified whenever I post a video, and I will catch you in my very next crafty video.